What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. I hope you had a great day today at work, whether you were working, off, whatever the case may be. I hope you had a blessed day overall, and thank you so much for letting me come into your screen for these next couple of minutes. Today we're actually working on this big F-250 Lariat. This is one of my maintenance customers where I see it about every 2 weeks. Recently, he took a trip and this front was hammered in bugs. I think some call them love bugs. I don't know. But the whole front literally needed some attention. So that's what we did today, was just a thorough wash on the exterior, plus the interior got a nice vacuum and interior condition, in which that's today's video. Many of you guys have asked, hey Carlos, can you showcase the Drive Auto Appearance Luxe Cockpit Conditioner? Guys, this is what I use daily. I think I've been using this for the past, honestly, probably like 2 years. And it's it's my only product I use for the interiors, to be honest. For those who don't know, Drive Auto Appearance is a shop here in Dallas. Has his own product lines, as well as he does work at his shop as well. If you've never met Mr. Cameron, he is amazing, very knowledgeable. Literally, he's been in the business for a long time. And prior to using this product, I started with like Aqua Gloss, and you guys saw me use Aqua Gloss probably heavily. Like, you know, I was literally using Aqua Gloss. But finally, you know, as you progress, you have to make adjustments, right? And I remember when I saw this product first and I saw the cost on it, I was like, ooh, I was like, I don't know. You know, but I think Aqua Gloss is like $30 for the gallon. This one here is probably like 47 maybe. But it's really nice. So for those who ask me, hey Carlos, we want to see really a before and after on Aqua Gloss, I hope this video does justice. Anyways, let's get this video started. All right, really quickly, for the interior, I'm using the PNS Express Cleaner. This was actually diluted 50-50. To be honest, I don't see a huge difference when I use it straight or diluted. And if I'm doing a maintenance, which cars are already clean, I pretty much just cut the product down. That way I'm not using too much of it. And literally, it's been like the best route I've taken. Like when working on maintenance, I don't want to use straight products, just because it's gonna help me keep my costs down, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm using here, is the Express Cleaner. I'm using a very soft brush to just agitate the leather seats really quick, wipe it off, let it air dry, and then obviously it'll be ready for the conditioning. And after I clean the seats, this is pretty much how it looks, both on the seats and the doors. And lastly now it's time to condition the interior, right? So I use a detail gun, guys. I know I get heat for it, but I just like it because of the quick, it's just quick. Right, so all I'm doing here is I'm spraying the seats really nicely, evenly. I'm spraying everything, and then I'm letting the product just pretty much work. After I spray this, I close the doors, then I start washing the car. Obviously, at this point, this vehicle is already done, but it pretty much, after I do all the dressing, close the doors, I start the washing. Through the time that I'm washing the vehicle, the product is already working, and all it's gonna do is just blend in to all the material, and it's gonna leave me a very non-greasy feeling. This product is not greasy. Once it literally airs out, this thing is solid, and to be honest, it lasts a pretty good while. Obviously, if you live in a place where there's a lot of dirt and all that, obviously there's gonna be a lot of dust in there, but really this product, it lasts. For the price, it lasts on your customers' vehicles. Literally, I've used it, and every 2 weeks I see the car literally looks the same. Like, the dressing is good, it's solid. But I wanted you guys to see a little bit on how the overspray is. A lot of the times you're gonna see the overspray at the bottom of your windows. If you don't roll your windows down, you'll see it like right on the edge at the bottom. It's very minimal. Usually I'll roll all the windows down. Some cars, they only go like halfway. So if they just go halfway, literally I just roll the windows back up. But if the windows go all the way down, I'd rather just roll all the windows down, spray everything, and I'm okay. The only area I don't spray is gonna be the dashboard, just because I don't want to introduce like too much gloss to the dashboard. As well, it helps with visibility. You know, a lot of customers like, oh my God, this guy used this stuff and it was hurting my eyes. It's the dressing. And they put too much on the dashboard. So for me, it's more of a liability issue, as well as safety when people are driving. I don't want to hit nothing on the dashboard. If I do use something, it's always something that's just it's neutral. Like, I don't want to make it glossy, if that makes sense. So you're gonna see real quickly on this video where as I'm gonna get ready to clean the window, you will see literally it's only like a very minimal corner where the overspray goes, and hopefully the camera caught it pretty well that you guys can see. And that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't very long. I think it might be short, I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Again, I hope you guys were able to kind of see a little bit of this product, how it works. If you like it, you know, if you've tried this product, let me know in the comment section below. Another thing I didn't say is I love this for engines. I use this on my engine bays. I use this for my interiors, plastics, leather, vinyl, my inner wheel wells too. You know, this thing does so well with so many just projects, to be honest. It contains light cleaners and can maintain surface as well as stain resistance and superior UV protection. I forgot to say that, but this does have UV protection for those who are going to ask. This has the protection your vehicles need. But I'll be posting a link down to this. If you're local, Drive Auto Appearance is located off of Plano Parkway, and I think it's Ohio Drive. Literally, just go down there, meet Mr. Cam. He is really cool. Always loves sharing his knowledge. Like, he'll give you time to kind of teach you or explain to you all the knowledge he has learned throughout the years. He offers classes for those who are always looking for classes to better your craft. He does offer them as well. And shoot, if you swing by there, tell him, hey, Serrano's Mobile sent you on YouTube. You know, maybe he can give you a nice little discount. I don't know. Anyways, oh yes, before I forget, before I end this video, I am so sorry. I'm just excited. I'm excited and nervous also because Saturday is almost here. If you've been following me on Facebook, you guys have seen me post this literally since the day I was able to just say, let's do it. On Saturday, this Saturday, October 1st, I will be at 30 and Broadway. I made a post on there where I'm going to be doing a fundraiser event. I'm going to be washing cars for free. Yes, for free. All I ask is that you bring just like a cash donation, whatever you wish to give. You know, if you live in Dallas, you live in Garland, Mesquite, swing by, make that drive to support Tony. Tony is a homeless man, but he's just not standing out there with the sign waiting for, you know, money to come in. He is literally out there at this little shopping center, and he legit has a cart. He has a sign, you know, and he's out there just trying to make it. And that's truly inspiring to see that even though, you know, he's homeless, he's out there really just trying to grind. He's out there just trying to make a living with what little he has. And I must say, I actually met Tony yesterday. I was swinging by, heading home, and I was like, man, let me stop by and see if I see him, right? I haven't met him at all. I've had other people talk to him, but I decided, you know what, I need to stop by, see if I see him. And I was literally his first customer when I pulled up, and he had his buckets. He had like 4 buckets of clean water. This guy walks, I was talking to him, and I was like, where do you get your water? And obviously there's a Taco Casa there, there's a 7-Eleven, there's a Goodwill. So I thought he was getting water from there. And he was like, no, I literally walk. It takes me about 1 hour to go and come back with clean water. He walks to this local car wash where I guess he fills up all his buckets. And then he comes back to this little shopping center and just sets up in hopes of people giving him an opportunity. After seeing him do my truck, I was really impressed with the way my truck came out. He had some really solid products. He had clean towels, clean water. He had a microfiber wash mitt, a brush. So I was really amazed, really just seeing this guy out there grind it out, work. But this Saturday, if you see this video, share it with somebody that's in Dallas. Come and see me. Come and just support. Don't support me. You're supporting Tony, right? What I'm doing is not for me. It's not for anything else other than just to help Tony. I'm gonna be dedicating 4 hours of my time, literally, to just be out there in the sun, and work. And again, a huge shout out to Luxury Microfiber. For donating some items for him. Fab Automotive also donated to the cause. DIY Detail, thank you so much they're going to be sending him some stuff as well. Who else? I've had other local companies here in Dallas kind of say, hey, I'd like to send some stuff for him. Lule Mobile Detailing also donated some stuff for him. So I'm just grateful for just you guys blessing this man. And I hope, Saturday is an event that I will cherish and I won't forget, because what I preach daily is to help everyone, or help our neighbor. And I'm just blessed that this Saturday, we're going to be able to bless somebody. And I get a little bit emotional on this topic, is just because I just want to bless this man. And if you guys been following this channel, you guys know I was at one point evicted from my place. I didn't have anything, and I grinded it out. And despite all of our difficulties in life, we are pushing. We are staying hopeful to one day, make it. And when I saw Tony, literally, even though you see a homeless man, what I saw was a guy out there smiling while he's washing a car. And he was like, man, just God's gonna bless me. He kept saying that, I'm doing everything right in my life, and I'm hopeful. I'm gonna make it. And that's the attitude that I love to see. There's a lot of things I could probably learn from Tony, but I'm just blessed that this Saturday I get an opportunity to just go out there, have some fun. So many people literally are reaching out to me to help. Some are going to be giving water, sending waters to us. Another company is sending refreshments. Shout out to I think it's Big Dogs Barbecue. They're going to be coming down as well, donating some brisket sandwiches. It's just overwhelming, the support that they're going to be giving this man. And it's not even about me. And I won't ever get tired of saying it's not for me, because we're not making nothing. I'm not making nothing. This is all for him, So I want to just say, thank you guys for those who follow me here and supported this cause and share share that post. It's crazy. So I hope I get to meet some of you guys on Saturday. Anyways, sorry for making this video long. As always, God bless you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.